going to look at this brocade coat, which is like black and brown, with mink for cuffs and collar. And let's look at the condition of the mink very closely. It's in excellent condition. There's nothing wrong with it. It's still pretty, it's not like stiff. It still feels really good. Here's the other one. Let's just take a real good look at it. Oh, ooh, beautiful. Really, really top condition. Mink. Here's the collar. No issues whatsoever. Very, very soft. This coat was really well taken care of. Okay, so now we'll look at the brocade and I'll talk about it. It's a 35 in length. The bust is 38. The waist measures 17 across. Okay, the waist measures 17 across. Has these two adorable pockets. Lots of details on this coat. So it's a 35 in length. The shoulder is 13 and a half. It has a very fitted look to it. The sleeve is 22. Okay, again, the bust is 38. The waist is 17 across. The length of the coat is 35. The shoulder is 13 and a half. And look at these gorgeous buttons. The mink is in excellent condition. The coat is in excellent condition. The buttons up here under the collar